you're welcome. I believe that everyone watching that lab video have been finding it difficult on accessing their Ruby KYC. And this particular video, I'll be telling you what you need to do for you to get invitation for your Ruby 1.5 KYC. That is what I'll be explaining, and many more that I'll be explaining in this particular. And if you haven't started following us, don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification again if I will upload any other new video. And if you want to follow us on our WhatsApp community to buy your Ruby Hector and Sidra token, and also to be among the community member of those who get more information about cryptocurrency, I'll be leaving the WhatsApp group link in the description of this particular and also in the comment section of this particular video. So if you have been waiting and you have not actually get your KYC invitation, because the Ruby team are actually rolling out a lot of KYC invitation, and it's more to about 500,000 people will actually be KYC. So how to position yourself, this is what I'll be sharing in this particular video. Don't forget that if your mining section is over, this is mine now. I have about 4 hours, 4 minutes and some seconds, and late is done. If you tap on it, as some couple of countries and states in your locality will actually be brought out. So for you to always get your KYC and for you to position yourself, if you are tapping your mining section as Nigeria, for example, I'm in Nigeria, so continue to use your Nigeria. Don't use Lagos, maybe Lagos, Abuja. Today you use Lagos, tomorrow you use Abuja, the next one you use Nigeria. You are just changing it to like the rest I was able to do. You'll be unable to actually get your KYC. So me now, I've actually focused on my mining that I'm choosing section is Nigeria. So I'll try and do that for 30 days to see if I'll be KYC. Another thing you need to do is that you come to this particular section here. No, this one here. You tap on it here. You'll be able to see what you have mined, and if you have referrals, what your referrals are actually mined for. You come to this particular place here called this trading zone. You tap on it. Okay, no statistics. No, you tap on statistics. You allow it to load. I will check on my statistics now. I myself now during my mining section I've mined 138 Ruby. My group now, that means my total referrals, they are able to give me 100 Ruby, and I know Trust Cycle I'll be able to get 4.15 Ruby from Trust Cycle. If you check my other video, I've explained what this trusted cycle and the major reason why you need to do it, which I'll be joining. And you can still start mining this particular Ruby if you haven't actually. You can still start. It is still a good project which you need to start. You come to this particular verified now. You tap on this, you're verified. You should see say unverified account. You need to do KYC verification of your account to use particular function. So after that, you come to this particular place that go to KYC. So you see what you need to do for you to actually get KYC. You tap on this one, say connect. You could see now that I've actually completed this two, which is complete ownership information over 30 days, exploit 30 Ruby. I'm just waiting for this receive invitation KYC 1.5, and which is what I've actually explained to you in this particular video, that for you to actually get this particular invitation, you have to remain consistently to one particular mining section. Meaning, if you are choosing Nigeria, just continue to choose Nigeria, Lagos, and if you are choosing Abuja, continue to choose Abuja. And let's try this particular mining section strike for the next 30 days to see if we'll be able to get invitation. And if you're able to get invitation, I'll also be creating another video to see that this part of my particular research actually works well. So this is what I want to explain to you in this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that I get notified when I upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.